going on YouTube. So my wife ordered some stuff from Strange Cat, and she said, "Do you want some of these?" I'm like, "Yes, please." Unbox Industries, Zombie, Dawn of the Dead figures, blind boxes. Hopefully they are not the same ones. But you know it's going to be, it's going to be quality. I guess both boxes are the same. I mean, the packaging's like so good. Okay, here we go. The first one. Okay, here we go. Might open it from the bottom. Hate ripping the box so nice. Hold. Usually they have those little things you can pour, but I guess not. Here we go. Belly up. Which one do we have? Mouse in there. There he is. Boom, boom. Oh, it's amazing. How cool is he? Excuse the coughing in the background. He's super cool, isn't he? Okay. Let's do the next one. Oh, you fell over. There's like a smaller one, which is good because it means it's not a duplicate. Quick sneak peek. What do we reckon it is? Oh, how cool is that? He is quality. Really good at it, that. Cutesy but not. Got some good ones. They have like the main characters as well. So I guess this one, is a bit of an underdog. Obviously this one's the obvious zombie when you think of Dawn of the Dead. But they are super cool. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I will see you later.